Next, we'll talk about channel modifiers. Now that we know how to select channels with our and our through and our minus, and if we make a mistake, we can use clear to backspace through. Once we make our selection, we want to be able to do something with it, to apply a value. Right? So we make a selection, and the channel modifiers are to the right of the numeric keypad. The biggest key here is the enter key, and the enter key follows every command. Anything you do in Ion or EOS, you're going to want to hit the enter key after that. There are very few exceptions to that, and we can go over one of them here. So in this case, what I did is I took channels 2 through 4 and I hit at full, enter, and it brought these channels to full. Right? These channels remain selected. At this point, I could say at 50 or at 50, enter, and it would lower them to 50%. So that's the at key to apply a percentage, 0 through 99. Full brings something to full, and the out key takes them to 0. It takes them out at a level of 0. The out key is one of the few exceptions that does not require you to hit enter. I could say 2 out, and channel 2 then would go to a level of 0. Also in this area is the intensity wheel. So I can roll, if I want to just visually see how bright I want something to be, I can just roll this wheel up and down, and it will change the intensity of any and all channels that I have selected. The other key that's important here is the sneak key. The sneak key restores selected channels to whatever value they were previously recorded at. If they were not in a queue at all or in a memory, hitting sneak enter of the selected channels would remove them from that queue. If they were at a pre-recorded level, you could hit sneak enter and they'll go back to what they were. That is the channel modifier section to the right of the numeric keypad.